What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. And I've had a few people ask me on like Instagram and just personal questions like from text messages from a couple friends, and they always want to know what are good products to use for your car for detailing. So I actually just went and got a few things from a Napa Auto Parts store right around the corner here in Goshen. And yes, here's some basic stuff that you will need for detailing your car. This is honestly just for anybody who does it in their driveway or garage or whatever the case is, carport, if your apartment places allow that. I live in a house. So yeah, here's a dive down of some of the basic things that I bought, and I will also have the prices for you as well. You can always upgrade these products later on as you go along with your detailing career, or if you do it for friends or whatever the case is, and everything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive down and I'll show you exactly what I've bought for detailing, and i.e. my car. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and dive down into this glorious bucket I got from Napa. They weren't doing that bucket sale for however much you can fit in there. I guess I did that last month. The first thing that I think anybody needs for washing and or detailing cars is going to be these microfiber towels. These are pretty good quality. I checked them out before I bought them. Drying, buffing, and polish all of this stuff right here. So everybody knows, always rip off the tags so it doesn't scratch your body or paint. And what I usually do is, when I do get some new microfiber towels, I usually just kind of flap them out so all the fluff gets off and it's, all set to go. Next thing is going to be a drying chamois or something along those lines, which like I said, all this stuff you can obviously upgrade later on. The one I had was, I forgot which one I had, but it was a really good chamois. I liked it a lot. I had that thing for years. But Water Sprite, this one is pretty good. I still gotta test it out. I'm gonna do reviews on all of these as well. This is just like a unboxing type of video to show you what you could always get for your car to begin with. So for the chamois was about $17, which is not bad. I mean, you can always find one cheaper at Walmart, but there's that as well. Obviously, everybody's gonna need a wash mitt. So this wash mitt was $11. It looks really good condition. So it has like the little microfiber like noodles on the outside, or on one side I should say, and then it's like microfiber on the back side too. So if you do ever want to get two of these and you want to use one to dry and one to wash, you can obviously do that. Once again, all these products I'll be doing a review on, but for right now, this is, everybody needs one of these, especially because these feel really good. I literally walked around the store with this on my hand. It was awesome. Obviously, everybody's gonna need some car wash. I went out and got some Armor All car wash just for now. I need to get the Pro Nano stuff back in my possession, but I mean, basic stuff. I'm still gonna do a review on this as well because I've never used this before. So but obviously I'm gonna read the directions very closely, see what it's all about. Last but not least, we have a squirt gun thing, nozzle. But yeah, this is gonna be a pretty higher quality one that I had. It is completely adjustable. You adjust it right here if you want a more streamlined spray, or if you can back it up this way, you will get a more misted spray pattern. Oh yeah, and back to the microfiber towels. I always split some of them up into different quarters. So since there's 8 of these, I'll split 4 into 4 for the body, and then 4 for the body, 2 for the windows, and then 2 for the wheels and tires. So I mean, you can split it up how you want to. I always keep everything kind of color coded, but I'll get into that with a later video of exactly what to do with your microfiber towels, guys. But this is nothing. Oh yeah, and the bucket. I almost forgot about the bucket. The bucket is obviously a Napa Auto Parts bucket. And the bucket, I think he said it was like $3. Oh, it was like $7, yeah. Yeah, it's about $7. So all in all, I spent about $43. Actually, no. So for all in all, This is my card information. So all in all, this is how much I spent. If it'll focus, please focus. Yeah, so I spent $43.14. Yeah, $43.14. I mean, Napa Auto Parts stuff is pretty good. I mean, I'm not sure about their car parts or their replacement parts, but all in all, it's pretty good. This bucket looks like it's pretty good. They had a smaller one, which is more expensive. I don't know why, but yeah, it's going to be a good old detailing videos coming back again, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you didn't already, please like, subscribe for more videos. And you guys know the drill, guys. Stay focused, guys. Be safe, and I'm out.